how to use two different audio outputs at the same time on Windows. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use two different audio outputs using Windows. So first thing, simply head over to your control panel, and once you're inside here, just click on sound. And from over here, what you want to do is just head over to recording section and make sure you have enabled this two different option for your audio, which is your preferred microphone and another is stereo mix. So if you haven't already, just make sure you have enabled this. So simply select on the stereo or audio which you want to use and just click on this its properties, and then over here just click on listen and make sure you enable this option listen to this device. And from over here just make sure you select this speakers and headphone option, and what you do is just head over to levels and you can adjust your level of stereo mix, your sound quality, just like this by increasing or decreasing, or you can also manually do it by typing over here. And from your advanced setting you can also change some explosive mode options, just like that. And once you do all of that, just click on apply and click on OK, and then your new settings will be successfully updated. And that is exactly how you can use two different audio outputs on your Windows. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.